AI video has been evolving fast, but nothing feels as big of a leap as Kling 01. For the first time, we have a unified multimodal video model that can generate, modify, restyle, and extend footage inside one single engine. No more stitching clips together, no more switching between separate inpainting and editing tools, no more broken consistency. Kling 01 finally solves the biggest problems creators face when working with AI videos: stability, control, memory, and complexity. And the best part is that you can access and use Kling 01 directly inside Higgsfield AI, a platform designed specifically for creators who want the cleanest workflow possible. Today, I'm going to break down exactly why Kling 01 is such a massive upgrade, what makes it different from every other AI video model, how to use it inside Higgsfield, and how you can take your productions to another level by combining Kling 01 with Nano Banana Pro images, creative prompts, seasonal transitions, and full video-to-video transformations. Everything you need is inside one platform, and the link is in the description. Kling 01 is a game-changing video model. Kling 01 stands out because it's more than just a video generator. It is a complete production pipeline inside a single system. With other tools, you usually generate a short clip, take that output into a different model for editing, then use another tool for inpainting and another one for restyling. Kling 01 replaces all of that fragmentation by giving you one model that handles every stage of video creation. The model understands characters, environments, props, lighting, and mood with exceptional accuracy. Instead of losing identities between shots or struggling with changing angles, Kling maintains character features even when you shift the camera, adjust lighting, or rewrite the entire scene. It also allows you to create shots that are 3 to 10 seconds long, giving your videos real pacing and room to breathe. Most generative models still feel like GIFs. Kling 01 feels like cinematography. Kling 01 can do better than other AI video models. Kling 01 delivers capabilities that other video models struggle with. First is its scene and character memory. If you create a character in one shot and build another shot from a different angle or distance, Kling keeps that character consistent. Skin tone, face structure, clothing details, everything. This is essential for storytelling, ads, fashion showcases, and longer sequences. Trying different types of prompts with Kling 01. Kling 01 is built around video-to-video transformations and in-place editing rather than pure text-to-video generation. In the Higgsfield UI, you'll typically start by uploading a short source clip, 3 to 10 seconds, and, if you want, one or more reference images or elements, up to 4. The prompt box for your edit instructions, and the model selector set to Kling 01 video edit. Kling 01 uses the clip's motion and structure as the foundation, then restyles, extends, or repairs it according to your text, plus image inputs. Because Kling 01 works from an existing clip, your prompts should describe how to change the source footage instead of asking for a brand new scene from scratch. Useful prompt categories include atmosphere and lighting swaps, seasonal transitions, object removal or replacement, style restyles. You can also import a Nano Banana Pro image as a start frame or element and instruct Kling to animate that image into motion while preserving the look. Here are practical prompt templates you can paste into Higgsfield's prompt box. Adjust details to your scene. Make it snow/seasonal rewrite, summer era winter. Transform this clip from summer to winter. Add falling snow, light accumulation on horizontal surfaces, colder color temperature, visible breath vapor, and a subtle blue cast. Keep the character and camera motion unchanged. Ensure snow interacts naturally with the foreground objects. Day, night, lighting and mood change. Convert this scene from daytime to nighttime. Add moonlight reflections, stronger highlights on wet surfaces, neon rim light on the subject, and increased contrast. Maintain original camera motion and character position. Do not alter the actor's face or clothing. Style restyle, cinematic to cyberpunk. Restyle this clip into a cyberpunk aesthetic. Purple/teal color grading, volumetric fog, neon reflections on glass, and subtle film grain. preserve original motion, and keep subject identity consistent across frames. Object removal/cleanup. Remove the person sitting in the background on the right and fill the area realistically with matching background detail. Keep lighting and shadows consistent, and avoid blurring the foreground subject. Animate an uploaded image. Image arrow video. Use the uploaded hero image as the start frame. Animate a slow push-in over 5 seconds with small breathing motion on the subject, gentle parallax in the background, and natural camera jitter. Match color grading to the source clip. Shot extension, 3 seconds to 8 seconds. Extend this 3S action to 8S while keeping the original motion curve. Smoothly interpolate intermediate frames, preserve subject features, and add subtle environmental movement, falling leaves, fog, to hide interpolation artifacts. Transition/morph, clip A to clip B. Create a seamless transition where the basketball in frame 1 morphs into a football over 2 seconds. Keep the camera centered on the ball, match motion speed, and ensure the subject's hand continuity between frames. This workflow is powerful for a wide range of creators. For filmmakers, it enables full scene pre-visualization before spending a single dollar on locations or actors. For ad creators, it delivers clean product shots, model videos, and environment transitions based on precise prompts. This is why Kling O1 inside Higgsfield is becoming a core workflow for many creators. Higgsfield offers a free tier that allows new users to experiment with Kling O1, Nano Banana Pro, and other tools. You also get paid plans with more speed, more capacity, and sometimes unlimited generation depending on active promotions. If you want to try Kling O1, generate animations, create transitions, experiment with Nano Banana Pro, or build full AI videos, the link to Higgsfield is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for the next deep dive. Thanks for watching.